When designing a passenger lift, we go for a user-centred design approach, which consists of having a real fundamental understanding of the challenges that people with reduced mobility face when using transport and their interaction with our lifts. Our key objective is to ensure our users' experience with our products is always safe, reliable and enjoyable. The technology that makes our passenger lifts safe and reliable has constantly evolved in-house for over 50 years. Our success is due to our constant drive for innovative solutions by our design and continuous improvement team. Safety is absolutely our #1 priority above all else, and we go to extra lengths to ensure that our lifts not only comply with safety standards, but that they exceed them. All our passenger, inboard and underfloor lifts undergo high performance testing. That consists of over 30,000 continuous fatigue cycles, in addition to rigorous structural testing. The parts used are always of a high premium quality and made by our close key supplier partners to guarantee a high craftsmanship level. The end result is a strong, durable, reliable product. Based on our own research, we have found that a high percentage of people with reduced mobility are very concerned about how stable the moving platform of the lift is. As a result, we've created a stable ride structure. This design enables a seamless transition from the ground to the floor to give our users that extra bit of confidence and peace of mind when being transported. We at PALFINGER Racklift understand that having a physical disability can pose mobility difficulties to millions of people around the world. Our close relationship with governments, charities and vehicle converters is a real important part of our work to enable more vehicle types to become easily accessible for everyone, regardless of any impairment. We aim to have a positive impact on our end users' lives by guaranteeing the quality of our products and by offering a complete after-sales service in a worldwide network of over 1,500 service agents. In addition, our comprehensive warranty and customer-specific maintenance packages will ensure our products are operational for many, many years to come. So, what drives PALFINGER Racklift to develop the safest and most reliable passenger lifts on the market? Well, it has to be our ambition to exceed the end users' expectations of our products and services. Under our brand promise of lifetime excellence, we deliver whole life support and provide the very best value when it comes to total cost of ownership to both vehicle owners and end users.